In the quest to understand the fabric of the cosmos and the secrets it holds, the hexagram emerges as a potent symbol, embodying the principle of as above, so below. This exploration ventures into the depths of the hexagram's symbolism, tracing its historical roots and uncovering its profound significance in the realm of the mystical and magical. At its core, the hexagram, or the six-pointed star, symbolizes the perfect union of the divine and the material, the seamless interweaving of the spiritual and the physical realms. Composed of two interlocking triangles, one pointing upward toward the heavens and the other downward toward the earth, it encapsulates the essence of cosmic unity, the balance of opposing forces, and the melding of fire and water, spirit and matter. The hexagram's presence is scattered across the tapestry of human history, appearing in the sacred art and architectural motifs of diverse cultures spanning from the ancient Indus Valley to the sands of the Middle East. In Jewish tradition, it is known as the Star of David, symbolizing God's rule over the universe in all six directions: north, south, east, west, up, and down. Islamic art reveres it as the Seal of Solomon, a sign of wisdom and a protector against evil forces. Within the Hindu and Buddhist mandalas, it represents the intertwining of the masculine and feminine divine, a symbol of enlightenment and spiritual vision. In the Western esoteric tradition, the hexagram takes on profound significance. Alchemists viewed it as a symbol of the philosophical stone, the ultimate goal of their mystical pursuit, representing the fusion of opposites and the achievement of alchemical marriage. Magicians and practitioners of the Hermetic arts use the hexagram in rituals to invoke divine energies, to harmonize the flow of cosmic forces, and to facilitate a deeper connection with the spiritual realms. The Kabbalistic interpretation of the hexagram sees it as a map of the universe and the human soul, embodying the structure of the tree of life and the journey of the soul's descent and ascent through the spheres. Each point of the hexagram corresponds to a planetary influence, offering a key to unlocking the secrets of astrology and the dynamics of the cosmos. In practical magic, the hexagram is more than just a symbol. It is a tool for transformation. Rituals involving the hexagram often begin with the consecration of space, drawing the symbol physically or visualizing it intensely to create a sacred environment conducive to spiritual work. Invocations may follow, calling upon the planetary energies or divine beings associated with each point of the hexagram to assist in the magical operation, whether for protection, enlightenment, or the manifestation of will. One of the most powerful uses of the hexagram in ritual magic is the hexagram ritual, akin to the pentagram ritual, but working on a higher plane, aiming to balance the planetary energies within the magician and the surrounding environment. This ritual acts as a gateway, opening the practitioner to the influences of the celestial spheres, aligning the microcosm with the macrocosm, and facilitating a profound transformation within and without. The journey through the symbolism and use of the hexagram reveals it as a multifaceted emblem of unity, balance, and transformation. Its deep roots in history and its widespread presence across cultures underline its universal appeal and power as a symbol of the intertwining of the physical and spiritual worlds. As we explore the mysteries of the hexagram, we are invited to embark on a path of self-discovery and cosmic exploration, unlocking the doors to deeper wisdom and spiritual enlightenment. As we conclude our exploration of the hexagram, what new insights have you gained? How do you see this ancient symbol in the context of your own spiritual journey? We invite you to share your thoughts, experiences, and questions in the comments below. And if there's another mystical symbol you're curious about, let us know.